Hello champs, once again you're welcome to the new lesson. So in this lesson we are going to learn how we can import the 3D models, or how we can find any 3D model from the 3D warehouse, and how we can import those 3D models into Unity game engine. So what is a Unity game engine? Unity engine is one of the game development tool, or we can say software, in which we can create and develop games. So for example, you have seen an Angry Bird game that is also developed in a Unity game engine. You can go to Google and also find out some vast games designed on a Unity platform, as well as you can find a basic learning course on our platform, in which we have covered all the Unity game engines, how we can create a game into Unity. Okay, so let's come on to the Sketchup and find out the 3D models. Now I am on the Sketchup and I will go to 3D warehouse. 3D warehouse is something where you will find any of the model you want. So for example, I want a gun. So I will just click on right here gun and search for models. I searched for model and there are too many types of model I can see, and I can download it. So for right now, I'm going to download this first one. I will just click on download. So it got downloaded. Now I can place it anywhere on my plan. I will just click and enter it. So you can see this model got downloaded. Now it got downloaded. Now what I want to import this in a Unity game engine. So what I have to do, I will go to files. I will click on export download. Then I will click on SKP, and from SKP, so SKP is the 3D modeling format, file format. So I will just go to 2017 version and click on OK. I will save it with the name gun into my music. I will save it with the gun. It got downloaded. Now I will go to my Unity engine. I will going to create one new folder here with the name materials, and in a materials I am going to import a new asset, and now I will import my gun.skp from my computer. So you can see the gun is now in our project. Now I will just simply drag and drop here. You can see that our model got imported into Unity engine. From here you can choose the views. Okay, so now you can write a code into the Unity and you can make it work like a proper game. Okay, so now we have successfully imported our 3D model into our Unity game engine. So in this session, we have learned what is the 3D warehouse and how we can import any of the model from the 3D warehouse Sketchup to the Unity game engine. Okay, so let's meet in the next session with the new thing.